another vlog. Today is Saturday and I just wanted to start off a regular day in my life vlog. I've been usually vlogging like a couple of days or like a weekend vlog, but I haven't really done just like one day in my life. So I felt like I should vlog today because I have a couple of things going on. I just made myself some coffee. I'm in my room right now just vlogging. I'm gonna go out and do some work. It's gonna be really nice when I actually have my desk come so I can do work and like have my coffee and stuff. So that should be coming within like the next week and a half. For now, I'm gonna just go and do my work on the table, and I have to read my case study for my like actual online class. We have this report that we have to do. It's just assessing like a case study, kind of like social work stuff. So I'm gonna go and start that right now, and I'll bring you guys along the rest of my day. I just finished reading the case study and I'm gonna work on one of my like mini essays that are due on Wednesday. And when I do these, I just come to my bed because it's like busy work. I don't really need to do that much, but I want to show you our new TV stand that we got for the room. It's gonna be in my other vlog, but I'll give you guys like a little sneak peek. So it just has these two shelves. So the bottom shelf just has my brother's PlayStation, where we also have like Hulu, Netflix, Disney Plus, and everything connected to. We need to get something like a different extension cord so that these wires are not like hanging into that plug that's in the closet. But this is the TV. I'm going to watch Love Island while I do the essays. And it's really great because since I can lift up my bed, I can just like have the TV right there, and it's like at a perfect height. It's also good because it tilts. So let's say like my brother's playing video games on his bed, he can like move it to strictly kind of like face him. And also I could do the same, but right now it's perfect. So this is just like busy work. That's why I'm watching my show while I do it, because I don't need to like really focus on it. It's not like a big essay. It's literally just answering a question, however long, like however many paragraphs it takes, you know. So that's what I'm doing right now. And I'm also baking cookies today, so I will be showing you guys how I make my cookies. We'll just like show you guys the process and how they come out, because I haven't baked in so long, and especially during quarantine, we need some good cookies. Alright guys, I want to show you these new jeans that I got a couple days ago, and I wanted to wait until I was vlogging to show you guys. They're from PacSun. So they're really cute because they're the vintage mom jean style, and I really wanted a pair. They are a little bit big on me, but I plan on getting them either hemmed, or I can do like the shoelace trick. I don't know if you guys have seen that like on TikTok, where you hide the shoelace but you tie it in the back so that it tightens it. They're really cute, especially rolled up. I feel like they will be nice with some sneakers. I am so full. Dinner was really good and the cookies were also really good. It was really funny because in the recipe that I was following, I ended up putting the wrong amount of it. So yeah, that was funny because I realized after the fact, and yeah, but it didn't mess up like the flavor of the cookies. It was still really good. Right now I just elevated my bed. I'm gonna like relax here and digest. Soon I'm gonna shower. Alright guys, I'm having my green tea right now while I watch Love Island, and I'm just gonna relax and have this, and then I'm gonna go shower. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I'm going to sleep now. It is so late. It's about to be 2 a.m. This is a real representation of how my nights have been going lately. I've been going to sleep super late, but it's Sunday tomorrow, so I don't need to wake up like super early for like class. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Stay safe.